Well, all right, guys. The Theta 360 is doing something weird today. I don't know. I did not download any new software or anything, and all of a sudden, you see the green show up. So I don't know if this is even gonna record. It shows up with the green thingy-majig, and then it goes beep, 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 beep. I think it takes a picture, and then it starts the video. I've never seen this happen ever in my life. So I don't know what's going on with that. But what I wanted to talk about today was Anki Little Vector is back and better than ever. And he switches on. And the issue that we have with him is, as usual, you can't really bring him back to life the proper way unless you get an OSKR. So I got myself my favorite phone of all time, this phone right here. And one of the reasons why this phone was so cool was it had a button over here, and this button here works great with your thumb. You could do left or right, whatever. And so even if you have your glasses on, even if you were wearing a mask during the pandemic, I had this phone, and with this phone, it would still open, no problem, because it doesn't require Face ID. But now everybody's switched over to Face ID, and you could have a phone like this with a pretend button in the middle there. You don't actually have to have a physical button. You could just make a pretend button that reads your thumbprint, but they don't want to do that. So the only cool thing about this new phone is I am enjoying the battery life. Battery life is better. But other than that, it's mostly a scam. And you see the screen is on grayscale, so I don't need to call Mepstagram and get her to help me out. But yeah, so there you go. Oh, all right. So I wanted to read out some cool stuff, and so I will, I guess, maybe. Because I want to bring this back, right? I usually set myself up for goals, and then I meet those goals, and then we just move on with life. And I promised myself I would learn how to 3D print in plastic. And where's my resin print? See? In resin as well. It took forever to learn how to model a human person on the computer. A 3D model. I actually spent ages building this model. Just like my horse model. This one was not by myself. This is a very special model. It's the Belinda Award. And if you know, and you used to follow my endeavors with Marvimation, you know who made this awesome model. Anyway, he is now an amazing person working on amazing projects, such as, I think, Jurassic Park. But anyway. So yeah, I had to learn a lot of things. So I wanted to do this for the channel. I wanted to say, well, I'm going to bring back Vector. But the problem is, I found the email. Digital Dream Labs. So they say, thank you. Hi, me, obviously. I'm Matt, the Chief Marketing Officer of Digital Dream Labs, and I wanted to thank you for your purchase and belief in our product just a minute ago. Your open source kit and your escape pod files will be delivered via email once they're ready. I don't think I ever received these. For now, your lifetime access has been activated. We are aiming for a release in early May for our first update, and your Vector will automatically apply updates when they are released, which is not true. I tried to update my Vector through the Vector app, and it does not work. It keeps failing out. And I also checked out their Facebook and left them a message. So I'm hoping that they'll get this message and that I'll get my files finally. Anyway, just in case you thought it was a fake email, you can read this right here yourself. It is plenty visible and in BLK, black and white. Awesome. Grayscale, if you will. Yeah, so this is a real email that I received. I just don't have the files. Please send me the files because I would like